Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I haven't been able to join you guys in a while. I've been super busy changing jobs and getting my new room set up. I am still working with kiddos, but I am no longer a classroom teacher. I am working as the Title I coordinator for my school. So it's been a big shift, and it means that I am a little busier than usual right this minute. So I wanted to share with you my Annie's Kit Club that came this month. Obviously, I haven't even opened it. I am going to check it out with you guys. So at least I have a chance to say hello and show you something fun in the process. So let's see what I got from Annie's Kit Club. And this would have been my August shipment. And clearly, I haven't seen any of it yet. So these are fun. Right away, I'm looking at these stamps. Lots of different greenery, leaves. I see thinking of you, hugs, prayers, love, heartfelt condolences. Let me see if I can find something just kind of white to put behind here, so you can see it better too. That shows a little bit better. And we'll see what the idea book shows. But looks like I got some jute and kind of a sage green little stamp pad. I have my own collection of stamp pads, so I'm not gonna lie. Typically, I end up using what I've got, and then I just share these little stamp pads with a teacher. You know, I'll put them in, a prize box at school, something like that. They're not something that I necessarily want to hold on to, and I'm a close to my heart girl. I love their stamp pads, and I can usually find colors that I like that go well with whatever I'm doing. So we're gonna see what's in here. All right, so I've got a thing of double-sided adhesive foam squares, some envelopes. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like we're gonna make 8 cards this month. And there's always extra, you guys, as far as materials. If you come up with your own card bases and envelopes, there's always plenty to do more. So I've got 4 of these green bases, and I've got 4 more of these white ones that are already scored, ready to fold. I love that because they come together so fast. I've got a bunch of 8.5 by 11 sheets, so that kind of patterned one. Whoop, let's see. This one is a leafy green. I've got another green with a different style of leaves on it. And a real pretty like forest green sheet. This is thicker, like a cardstock weight. White cardstock. This is more of just a paper weight with a stripe. Really beautiful gold metallic. That's fun. And then I've got some punch outs. So a couple of different sheets of these. Lots of different designs on here with sayings and little embellishments. So 2 like that and 2 like this. These are fun, pretty colors. And then I've got my idea book. So let's see what they've got in store for us this time. And of course, you can always get the kit and use it however you want. But I think one of the things I like about these is they're fun for me to grab in the evening when I don't really want to think and I don't want to be creative. I just want to create. Does that make sense? Like, to me, that's two different things. Being creative is coming up with my own ideas and, really making up something as I go. Creating can be just scrap lifting, it can be following somebody else's design, and it just doesn't require that same mental investment for me. So that's why I love these, honestly, is because I can look at their designs and usually just use them as is or do a small tweak, and I'm a happy camper. So these are just a different kind of a thing for me. So this month's kit's called A Beautiful Life. And again, it comes with really everything you need. So here's one of the ideas, and they just call these sample cards. So this one's pretty. It says, "May love be what you remember most." So that would be really sweet for, a wedding, an anniversary, even a sympathy card. That would even be appropriate, if somebody passed. So always in our hearts. So you can see they're using some stamping, but then they're using these cut aparts and the punch outs to kind of come underneath the edges. So cute. This one says "Thinking of You." That's got the metallic kind of in the background coming around and out around the edges. It's cute. And "Celebrating a Beautiful Life." Okay. So again, that would be a gorgeous card to give to somebody as a sympathy card. So that is something that you don't actually often get in card kits. So I'm kind of excited to have a few choices to make some things like that. So the back just is featuring some more of those same designs. So lots of cool stuff this month. These are going to be a really pretty palette, and definitely some good cards to add to my box for when these things come up. So if you are interested in this Annie's Card Maker Club, check my description box. There'll be a link in there. You can always get a great discount on your first month. Check it out. You can cancel anytime, which is awesome. But yeah, if you decide you're interested, please use my link, and I will see you guys again real soon. I hope that whatever you're up to, you are getting some time to create and getting some time for some mental peace and just having a good time. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.